these heels of mine, cracking, boy. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we're doing a maintenance vlog. Well, really more of like a self-care vlog because it's not really maintenance because I'm not like getting my hair done or like getting anything done except you better look at my toes done because my feet, ooh, they barking, boy. Oh, and by the way, welcome back to another day of VLOGMAS. In today's vlog, we are basically just gonna be going to get our toes done. I'm gonna go home and I'm going to do like a little self-care vibe. So I'm gonna take like a nice shower, shave, exfoliate. We gonna do like some little, like maybe a little hair mask, maybe a little face mask, you know, just give a good self-care, give myself some loving because like I said, these toes haven't had a pedicure since the summer. Because I usually do my own toes and it's okay, but like these heels of mine cracking, boy. So we're pulling up to the nail salon right now. I actually love this nail salon. It's called Essence Nails and Spa, and it's like up at my parents' house. Oh, perfect spot just for me. Up at my parents' house, but I have to do some errands out here anyway, so it actually worked out perfectly. So yeah, let's go get these toes done. Okay guys, so we just finished getting our toes done. I have to show you guys them up close when we get home because I had to run up out of there. What time is it now? It's 12, so it took about an hour. And they gave me a little cute little gift when I left. I don't know what this is, but it's a green tea lotion. Oh, nice! Let me see how it smells. Is it open already? Put a little in my hands. It smells good. Oh wow, that smells really good. So we're gonna go ahead and head home and we're gonna give ourselves some more self-care because my hair, I just installed a wig last night. It's so crunchy. Lord, I need some TLC. All right, I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so we are back home and I'm about to wash his hair because I don't know if y'all could tell, this boy is crusty. It's like so, oh, let me show you my toes. Hold on. Oh, they already got a little crusty crust. Let me show you the toes real quick. Not too close, not too much, not too fucking much. Y'all, my toes still look crusty. Excuse me, no thanks. Bye. We're not looking at those. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and shower right now. We're gonna take a good little shower, and then I hope y'all can hear me okay because I added this new little microphone onto my. Let me see if it makes a. I don't know. I added this new little microphone on top of my camera, so we'll see if it like does anything. But I'm gonna shower, and then we are going to do like a little face mask and do something else TLC. Let's be real, I'm probably just gonna do a little face mask and maybe go watch some TV, show myself some love today, and yeah, so let me stop talking. Let's get to showering because I feel icky.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree, I did it first. I give a fuck, I just want fuck, eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hit on me and mask it with laughter? Can you lead me to the ark? What's the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity, lonely humanity, great humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity.
y'all. So I'm out the shower, nice and clean. And I wanted to do like a hair mask after I got out of the shower, just because I wanted to give my hair some TLC. Yeah, my hair has grown so much since I cut it. But I thought I had a hair mask, but I don't. And I'm kind of upset about it. So we're not gonna do a hair mask. What is that? That's not what I need. Instead of a hair mask, I'm just gonna put in a leave-in conditioner, and this is from Pros. They're like this is not sponsored, but this is like a company that like gives you specialized hair care products that are specialized to whatever needs you want. I did not know that was so watery. Okay, damn. They're specialized to whatever your hair needs are. So I'm just gonna put this in, and then tomorrow I'm gonna sleep with it in like some braids. I did not know that was so watery. I feel like I'm wasting it, rubbing it on my hands. And I used some of their product before and I really liked them, so I'm hoping that this leave-in conditioner is like good vibes too, you know? Okay, so that's gonna be the hair, and I'll probably just put it in like a braid before I go to sleep, but I don't feel like doing that right now. But for the skin, so with my skin being so dry, my skin is so dry in the winter. Like I have combo skin, but like in the summer it'd be hella oily, but in the winter it'd be dry. Like I be getting white little crust on my mouth. I need like a hydrating mask. So let me go find one real quick, because I know I got a whole bunch of hydrating masks. I just have to find one. Okay, so I found 3 different masks, and I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna do like a sleep recovery mask, just because sleeping recovery masks usually have like a lot of moisture in them because they like work overnight. So I don't know if I'm gonna use the Cocoa Kind one or if I'm gonna use this Dr. Brandt. I think I'm gonna do the Dr. Brandt one because I want to say I've had this one longer. Sorry, I can't see enough. I'm squinting. It's because I can't see. Put a little bit on. So I rub it in. Apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Okay. So let's just. Oh, it just feels like a little moisturizer, honestly. It's not giving mask. Y'all don't even see it. It feels really nice though. It feels like a really thick moisturizer. Then I want to put something on my lips. So hold on. So for lips, I'm going to use this Ciate London slip mask. I love this. It's a balm and a mask mixed. So like, I like to use it as actual chapstick. Whoops, I just wasted all that. No. Oh, it's right here. Oh, I'm gonna wipe it off and I'm gonna use it, okay? Okay, this is good. It's so thick and moisturizing, and it literally just ends up melting into your skin. It makes your lips so nice and soft. Let me braid my hair out. I want to say I think that's the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I know today's video was pretty quick, but it was just a well-needed little like self-care day. And as y'all can see, self-care don't have to be like a whole lot. Like I just took like a nice shower and, you know, washed my hair and put a little face mask on, a little lip mask, put a little hair mask. Well, it's not a mask, but put a little deep conditioning in it. And now I'm about to go watch some Netflix, and I'm gonna be living my best life. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you made it this far, girl, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.